Ang next category natin, dudugtungan nyo lang ito. First word, dugtungan ang salitang love. Love. Okay? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Love scars.
Love scars. Next.
Love you. Love you. Love you.
Okay. Next.
Lovebirds.
Lovebirds. Okay, next.
Love at first sight.
Love at first sight. Tatanggapin? Yes. Okay.
3.
Love affair.
Oh! Gusto ba yan?
Gusto ko dyan.
Okay, next.
Love language.
Love language. Okay, next. Ikaw, Elven.
Love you so much. Love you so much.
Okay, pasok. Pasok. Medyo na-exercise na yung utak ko, ha? Okay, ngayon. Ang galing ni Elven. Tayo sa S. Ano sinabi? Bye! Ano masasabi mo daw? Mas mahal ka raw niya.
Love you. Love you.